how to overlay videos in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can overlay videos. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on this project. Now you can create a new project or even open the older ones. So here I've selected one. Now I'm in this editing platform. Here you can see different tools that are available. Now in order to add overlay, here you can see this overlay tool. Simply tap on it. Now we can select the photo that you want to overlay in this picture. So here I'm tapping on one. So as you can see here, you can see this tick button. Tap on it. So it has been imported. Now you can adjust it and you can even edit it however you like. So it has been a type of overlay in the video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.